Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn and Grow with Peely. In the previous video, we started control statements. This is the part 2 of that. In this, we are going to see the nested if-else and the switch case. So first, I'm creating a new class for nested if-else. Here, we will try to find the highest amongst the three numbers. Nested if-else is used when we have dependencies for more than two conditions. Now if you see in the highest of amongst three numbers, we have dependency to check whether a number is greater than the remaining two numbers. So let's get started. The logic behind this code will be, we will be taking three variables and I am assigning the values of all the three variables, and I would be checking whether a variable A is greater than B and C, and if it is, then A is the highest, similarly for B and similarly for C. So let's get started. So if A is greater than B, I'm going to also use a logical operator here, which is AND. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, our system.out.println would be A is highest. Now, for this if, I have a else statement. So I just cannot simply write B is greater or C is greater. I need to compare both of them. So I'm going to put one more if for B and C. So if B is greater than C and B is greater than A, it should print that B is highest. Now for this if, I'm going to put an else statement, which would be C is highest. Okay, so we have the if and else part. Since we have two if, we have both the else part. So let me just run this and you see that C is highest because we've given C as 55. I'm changing A to 100, the A is highest, and now I'm changing B to highest, that is 200, so B is highest. So this was a case of nested if else. Now let's go to the switch case. Okay, so I'm going to have first let me write the syntax so that it would be easy to explain. So it says that the switch statement is used to select an action from the given set of actions. Okay, we are going to understand this properly. Let me write the syntax. So say switch, choice, and now I'm going to give some cases like case choice 1, then some statement for that choice 1, and then a break, which is a keyword. All these are keywords like case, break. So I'm going to give then choice 2, then some statement, choice 3, some statement, and then the break. And I'm also going to give one default case and break. So it is used to select an action. That action is the choice, and from that choice we have all these choices, and then we are going to select any one choice. Okay, now let's understand it. I'm taking some variable, say day number 7, and string day is equal to null is what I've initialized. So switch, I'm going to switch what? Day underscore number. Now I'm going to write all the cases. So let's say case 1, that is if day number is 1, the day will be printed as Monday. Similarly, we will have it for case all the remaining cases, that is case 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which would be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So according to the day number, the day would be printed. So if the day number is 7 that we have taken, then according to case 7, Sunday should be printed. If it is day 1, Monday should be printed. Day 3, Wednesday should be printed. So let's just print this and see. Yes, for day underscore 7, Sunday is getting printed. Now I have changed it to 5, but let me just add a break so that I will get all the values properly. Otherwise we will get continuous values. For example, 5, if we do not put break, we'll get Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Now let me try with 1. Yeah, we are getting Monday. Now let me try with the number, say 10. We are getting null because we have already initialized it. But let me add a default case. So it says default day is equal to invalid input. So now you can see when I run it, it says invalid input. Default is used when the choices are not amongst the given cases. What I'm going to do now is we're going to talk about scanner class. So scanner is a predefined class in Java. So I'm creating the object of this scanner class and I'm giving input as system.in because we want user to give input for the number. Let me import all the files. So java.util.scanner. Now I'm going to print after this saying that enter a number, enter a day number. Then sc.next int, because number it is in the integer format. Let me put this in some variable, say int day underscore number, because we have already used it. So I'm just making the code for us. And now when I run this, it says enter a number and we can give our own input. Now if I give 5, it said Friday. Let me run again. 15, invalid input. So here the user can give the input and we can get the output. This makes the code more user friendly. So in this video, we also understood about scanner class. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell icon so that you get notified for every new video. Thank you.